All right, what's up, guys? It's Carter here. Okay, so before we break down the F trade, I just want y'all to know, make sure you follow me on Twitter. Make sure you got the notifications on. You would have known I was in a F. What I was looking for on F this morning when it was at 1390. We were looking for the breakdown. Okay, so make sure you got me on Twitter. But anyways, let's go over this. And remember, I have a free copy trade service, guys. I have a free copy trade service on BitGet. You get up to. A lot of people don't. A lot of traders don't like to make it really specific. You get up to 4,200 on your first deposit. Now, for whatever, how or much they allocate to that, I'm not sure, what the requirements are. They don't really get to depth. But anyways, it's up to, and you can follow me for free. All my trades, you can put a little bit of money in there, and let's just see how far we can run this thing. Just let it sit. Don't keep withdrawing shit out and being a gambler. That's some gambling ass tendencies. Can you not, leave money, let it sit somewhere and see if it can become something. But anyways, guys, I'll leave those links in the description. If you want to learn more about how I use RSI, the indicator, my website's down in the description too. So that's the main indicator I use for all my trades. And that's after price action. That is the main thing you need to understand. After price action is when indicators come into play. But okay, and remember, we got Bing X too. Bing X, if you're a scalper, make sure you're trying Bing X. You have the lowest fees available there. So there's honestly no point, right? Okay. So here we are. We're going to start on the 45-minute time frame, my favorite time frame. Like I mentioned quite a lot. A lot of people don't like to use it, and that's the best thing about it to me is a lot of people don't use it. The things that people ain't using is usually the better option. The most adopted opinion or the most logical conclusion to most humans is never the best one. But anyways, so we've been running these little flags and breakouts for a while now. You get up here. You get up here and we started seeing some failure. It's obvious, it's good to start seeing some failure. You get some nice patterns. Where are we having trouble at? Then we had the trend line. You see the trend line here? So we know, we got a little trend, we broke down, and then we were waiting for that retest. I was actually in a short after, when this broke down and it caught me. I have my stop losses so tight, and validate myself very quickly, get out. And it caught me, but I re-entered on this next one, and I was like, okay, wait, there's no way I'm actually offsides right now. Okay, I believe this goes down. They've been running this script a lot, the 45, the breakout, and just once it just gives a little bit of rejection, weakness, it runs it back completely. Okay, they've been doing that a lot. You can see a lot of flags. You see, they're starting to use a lot of flags. I mean, just watch the chart. Watch the fucking chart all day. We finally got past that 45-minute 200 EMA as well. But as you can see, it's looking like it could have just been a deviation, right? We got our line here at 1356 for a reason for the pump on the FOMO C. So, it's looking like, 1338 is going to be the level to beat again, like it should have been. When pumps like that come right back down to the actual breakout point, it's a fucking scam, okay? They're just running the algo. They're just running the fucking algo, right? So, that's what we're looking like. You can break it down a little better here. Just put a fucking line on the chart here. And you can see where it looks like a deviation. This is our range, okay? This is our range, okay? And I'm pretty certain that we go take the rest of this, and we'll start chopping up below 1269 here. In time, one way or another, it does do that. And I'm probably going to re-enter a short here soon, with 1338 being my invalidations. So that's what I'm looking for. This block here, this little shit here, this shit gets taken. Look at, this is the 4-hour chart right now. Just look at the wicks, look at the wicks. We went and took this wick. Let's go take this one now. That's what's going to happen, in my opinion, unless something changes. And if so, have me on Twitter, and, I will post what I think may come next, So it's, just keep up with things. Make sure to put some time in on the charts, guys. The last time we were here, we we talked about, why would crypto go up? And why would it go up? That's what we stuck to, charts are charts. The price action is, price action. But then there's another level to the game too. And where are they going to fake these people out at? Where are they going to make them long? And this is probably where they longing right now. They're probably longing here, get a little retest of this breakout, and then we just nuke their shit. That's you just got to learn that little, the head game of trading. The head game of trading. It's just that simple. There's a lot more going into it. You got to, when the environment is the environment that we have, that is almost the most important thing to pay attention to. You can have your guys on Twitter posting fucking PYR to $9 all they want, but there's no fucking reason that something's gonna do a fucking 3x off the bottom right now. Okay, they're just chopping and ranging before new lows. Most of these shit coins have to go. They just gotta go. All of them almost. There's no reason for it. You got to remember that shit. Okay, we're another year and a half away from an actual cycle. Based on the length of time. So you just remember that most of these shit coins go to zero. Don't buy them. Wait for something else. Wait for the bull run. You'll have plenty of time to make money in the bull run. You don't have to buy the fucking bear market. You don't have to DCA. You don't have to do that shit. Okay, just make sure you're following people that actually gonna fucking care about how well you're gonna fucking do, not people who just post referral links all day, which I do, and they just tell you, oh, you sign up and you get $10,000. And there's most of them just say that, and they don't give a shit, man. They don't give a fuck. But anyways, that's what we're looking at, guys. Okay, you're looking like that was a deviation. Took some wicks. And below 13, really 1346 here. But I'm waiting for a little more of a little more clarity. But I think, I know for a fact 1338 is the level right now. So just keep an eye on it. You can have your short with tight stop losses. When you enter a position, you don't have to claim the top. You just got to position your size that you still lose the same amount. If you did get the top, you don't be a greedy bastard. Wait for good setups, and if they're not great setups, risk manage a little better. But anyways, guys, I appreciate it if y'all like and subscribe to the video. It means a lot. Give those links a look if you're interested in how to use RSI. You're interested in actually learning how to trade something. You can visit my website. But other than that, guys, y'all have a good day.